Hello class, welcome back to my video with me Miss Diffie. So today we are going to continue our lesson about another solid polyhedron shape. But before that, let's take a look at this picture. So what picture is this? Yes, correct. This is a pyramid in Egypt, and I think all of you already know it. But you need to know, that's not the only one type of a pyramid. That's why today we'll find together about the pyramid. So look at this picture. I have a pyramid here. Now let's find the general properties of this pyramid. So for the first properties, it has one base. So which one we call as a base? So this face we call it as the base of a pyramid. And the second properties, it has one apex. So what is apex? Apex is the top vertex of the solid shape. This is what we call as apex. And the last one, the intersecting faces are triangle. So from this picture we can find three faces, or we can call it as the straight faces. Okay, the front, the right, and also the left face. Okay, alright, now I have some picture here. So the question is, which one has a pyramid shape? So for the first picture, I have Louvre Museum. Second picture, I have traffic cone. The third picture, I have birthday hat. And the last, I have traditional cake. So to decide which one has a pyramid shape, you have to remember about the general properties of a pyramid. The first one, it has one base and it has one apex. And the last one, the straight face or triangle. Okay, now let's take a look from the first picture, the Louvre Museum in Paris. So Louvre Museum has one base, so this is the base. And it also has one apex. So this is the pyramid shape. And the second one, the traffic cone, it also has one base, but and it also has one apex as well, right? But it doesn't has a straight face, so this is not a pyramid shape. And for the birthday hat, it also same like a traffic cone, so it's not a pyramid. And the last one, for the traditional cake, it has one base with a square shape, and also it has one apex. So this has a pyramid shape. So basically there are so many types of the pyramid, but now I want to show you two types of the pyramid. Now look at two pictures here. So what is the difference between the left figure and also the right figure? So basically both of them has one apex, right? This is for the apex. And also the intersecting face has a triangle shape, but they have a different shape of a base. For the left figure, it has triangle base, and for the right figure, it has a square base. So for the first figure, we can name it as a triangular pyramid, and for the second figure, we can name it as a square pyramid. So to name the prism, to name a pyramid, you have to name it based on the shape of a base. And now, pyramid has a definition: three-dimensional shape bounded by a polygon base, and a triangle as a straight faces. Now let's find the other properties of a pyramid. Let's use a square pyramid. Okay, before we find the other properties of pyramid, let's rename this pyramid first. Let's start from the vertex. A, B, C, D, and for the apex, we name it as T. Okay, now let's start from the first properties, which is a vertex. So to find or to count how many vertices, we can use this formula, n plus 1. So n is show the number of vertices that base has. So because it has a square base, so to find the vertex, we can count it. It has 4 vertex because it has square shape, so we can use 4 here as the value of n, and then we can do a substitution into formula. N plus 1 is equal 4 plus 1 is equal 5. Let's mention all the vertices to prove it. So there are A, B, C, D, and also T, so there are 5 vertices. And the second one, faces. So to count how many faces that square pyramid has, we can use the formula. So it has 5 faces, and let's mention all of it. A, B, C, D, A, B, T, B, C, T, D, C, T, and the last D, A, T. So there are 5 faces. And then the next one, edges. To find edges, we can use the formula 2 times n. 2 times 4. It's equal 8. Now let's mention all the edges of a square pyramid. AB, BC, CD, DA, TA, TB, TC, and TD. So there are 8 edges. And the last one, the head of a pyramid. So which one is the head of pyramid? It's really easy. You have to find the midpoint of a base first. So how to find the midpoint of a base? You have to draw a face diagonal of a base. So there are 2 face diagonal of a base. And after that, you have to find the intersection between face diagonal on the base. Okay, the intersection is a point like this, and after that you have to draw a segment line from apex to the intersection point like this. So the red segment here, this is the head of a pyramid. Now let's continue to the net of pyramid. So look at this, I have a net of pyramid, and then when I fold it up, it will look like a solid pyramid, and we can open it up again. Even we can change the shape of the base into another polygon. Now we'll try to find the surface area of a pyramid. So I have a square pyramid here. Okay, let's rename it A, B, C, D, and T for the apex. And after I open it up, I can find the net of this pyramid. Okay, let's rename the net of the pyramid A, B, C, D, and this is for the apex T. Okay, I still remember what is the surface area. So the surface area basically is the total area of all the faces. So that means you have to add all the area of all the face. Okay, so in this picture we can find that there are 5 faces. This for area 1. This for area 2, area 3, area 4, this one for area 5. So that's when you have to add area 1 plus area 2 to area 5. Okay, basically area 1 is the area of a base, which is the area of a square, area base. And area 2 to area 5, this is the area of a straight faces. So the surface area is the formula of the surface area. And the last one about the volume of a pyramid. So you can use the volume formula, area of a base times height over 3. So that's all for my video today. I hope you enjoy and see you on the next coming video. Goodbye.